I do believe this gate is locked. Hello? Hey, what's going on? Hello? Why you be doing that? Hello, my name is Markiplier, and welcome to Let's Play. Have to make this quick, they might be monitoring. God, poopy! God damn! Fucky you! Along the same vein as some other horror games, you know, you don't have the option to fight. And whoa, hello. Hello? Yes. Jigga. Oh, come on. Can I bash it down? Nope, jiggly. Now, but seriously, fuck those guys. Hey! Oh, you know what? I just met your friends. Like, Chica and Blue Boy came back together. We had a big gangbang together. We had so much fun in a big orgy pile with all the spare parts. It was great, let me tell you. See, are you dead? Are you actually dead?
All right.
So this is how this game's gonna be. All right, so that was a negatory. All right, if you say so. I got it. Oh, got it. Hello? Bing bong. Delivery. Okay, so I'm assuming that I gotta find another way around. I seem to have just waltzed in, and who closed that gate? If you say so, and now you're gonna promptly die. If you say so, Broham. I'm so boned. I'm boned! He's gonna kill me. Oh my God! I'd like to think so. Now, I've been waiting for this game for a long time, and I'm sure that many of you have as well. It's one of the a really big upcoming horror titles that's going to be a longer Let's Play, so get settled in. Okay, so I can't open anything. I am officially out of time for this part, but expect a lot more. I'm going to be doing this series a lot up in the coming things. I might even go up to 3 videos a day. Is that my blood? Okay, that's not my blood. So, this is going to be an absolutely incredible game. Proclaim the gospel. This is absolutely going to be an incredible game. I can already tell it's going to be absolutely phenomenal. I'm so excited to play it. So, thank you all so much for watching. Click the annotation for more videos that I've done. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Tasty treat that can't be eaten, so I do sort of move it back in my bottle. I wanted to say that I'm not going to be interrupting any of the gaps. I'm going to try to stay out of the story. I already see blood on the wall. He is a Let's Player. I'm just doing commentary here on the game, but